In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unhide columns in Excel. Start by opening your Excel spreadsheet. Once the file is on screen, look across the top of the worksheet, where the column letters appear in alphabetical order. This row of letters is the quickest place to spot a hidden column, because you will usually notice a jump in the sequence. For example, if the letters move from one column to a later one without showing the column in between, that missing space usually means a column is hidden. When you have found the area where the column is hidden, click and hold your mouse on the column letter just before the hidden column. Keep the mouse button held down, and then drag your cursor across to the column letter just after the hidden column. This is important because Excel needs both surrounding columns selected in order to reveal the one in between. After you drag across, release the mouse button. You should now see both column headings highlighted at the top. That highlight confirms that the correct columns are selected. If they are not, simply try again and make sure you begin with the column before the hidden one and end with the column after it. Next, right-click anywhere inside the highlighted column headings at the top of the sheet. This will open a drop-down menu with several column options. Move your cursor down through that menu until you see the Unhide option. Then click Unhide. As soon as you do that, Excel will display the hidden column again in its normal place between the two columns you selected. The alphabetical order at the top should now appear complete, and the missing column will be visible and ready to use. A helpful tip is to focus carefully on the column letters before selecting anything, especially if the worksheet has many columns or if several are close together. Taking a moment to confirm the missing spot can help you avoid selecting the wrong area. Also, make sure you right-click on the highlighted column headings themselves, not inside the worksheet cells, since that gives you the correct menu for column actions. That is the full process. Open the spreadsheet, find the hidden column area, select the columns on both sides, right-click the highlighted headings, and choose Unhide. That covers everything you need to know.